What is the role of a business analyst? A business analyst acts as a liaison between business stakeholders and IT teams, analyzing business processes, identifying areas for improvement, and facilitating the development and implementation of solutions. Explain the importance of SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis evaluates an organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It helps in strategic planning by providing insights into internal and external factors that can impact business objectives. What is a use case, and how is it used in business analysis? A use case outlines how a system interacts with external entities, describing different scenarios and the expected behavior. It is used in business analysis to understand, clarify, and document system requirements. Describe the difference between waterfall and agile methodologies. Waterfall is a linear and sequential approach to project management, while agile is iterative and focuses on collaboration and adaptability. Agile allows for flexibility and frequent reassessment of project goals. How do you prioritize requirements in a project? Requirements can be prioritized based on business value, stakeholder needs, dependencies, and project constraints. Prioritization ensures that the most critical elements are addressed first. What is a business process model, and why is it essential? A business process model visually represents the steps and activities involved in a business process. It helps in understanding, analyzing, and optimizing processes for efficiency and effectiveness. Explain the concept of gap analysis. Gap analysis involves assessing the difference between current processes or systems and desired future states. It helps identify areas where improvements are needed to meet business objectives. How do you handle conflicting requirements from different stakeholders? Effective communication is key. Conduct stakeholder meetings to understand priorities, negotiate, and seek consensus. Document and manage conflicting requirements transparently to reach a resolution. What is a business rule, and why are they important in business analysis? A business rule is a statement that defines or constrains some aspect of business operations. They are important in business analysis as they provide guidelines for decision-making and system behavior. How do you ensure the successful implementation of a business solution? Successful implementation involves thorough planning, stakeholder engagement, and effective communication. Regularly assess progress, address issues promptly, and ensure that the solution aligns with business objectives. What role does data analysis play in business analysis? Data analysis involves examining and interpreting data to extract valuable insights. Business analysts use data analysis to identify trends, patterns, and opportunities, supporting informed decision-making. How do you stay updated on industry trends and best practices? I stay informed through continuous learning, attending conferences, participating in forums, and networking with industry professionals. Reading relevant publications and taking online courses are also part of my strategy. Explain the concept of a use story in agile development. A user story is a concise description of a software feature from an end-user perspective. It typically follows the format. As a user, I want an action so that benefit. User stories help define and prioritize features in agile projects. What is a feasibility study, and why is it conducted in business analysis? A feasibility study assesses the practicality and viability of a proposed project. It considers technical, operational, economic, and scheduling factors, helping stakeholders make informed decisions about project feasibility. How do you handle scope creep in a project? Scope creep is managed through clear documentation of project scope, regular communication with stakeholders, and a change control process. All changes are evaluated for their impact on time, cost, and resources before implementation. Explain the concept of a business process reengineering (BPR). Business process reengineering involves the radical redesign of business processes to achieve significant improvements in efficiency, effectiveness, and adaptability. It often includes changes to organizational structure and technology. How do you facilitate effective communication between technical and non-technical stakeholders? I use clear and concise language, avoiding technical jargon when communicating with non-technical stakeholders. I also facilitate workshops and meetings to ensure a shared understanding of requirements and project goals. Remember to tailor your responses to your own experiences and the specific requirements of the job you're interviewing for. Good luck!